Good morning everyone in the world. Narito tayo para batiin ang ating Pangulo ng The Hardcore. Happy birthday Sir PSP. More birthdays to come. And sana ingatan ka ni Lord sa araw-araw sa iyong trabaho at ilayo sa karamdaman kapahamakan. Thank you, sir, sa pagtitiwala. Hindi mo ko tinantanan ibalik sa team. Thank you. At enjoy your day, sir. And more birthdays to come. Abutin natin ng 100 years, ha, sir. Thank you. God bless you more.
Give up, shout out everyone. Meron lang akong babatiin na magdiriwang ng kanyang kaarawan. Ang the founder ng The Hardcore. PSP, happy birthday. Stay safe. Stay healthy. Enjoy your day celebration. At salamat sa pagtitiwala bilang member ng The Hardcore. Enjoy your day celebration. Salamat PSP. At nakasama ako sa inyong team. Maraming salamat sa pagtitiwala. PSP, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, PSP. Thank you, PSP. Happy birthday again. And more birthdays to come. Enjoy your day celebration. Salamat sa pagtitiwala. And God bless. Thank you, PSP. Bye-bye.
What's up guys? For this video guys, gusto ko lang pong batiin ng happy birthday ang the one and only, ang aming founder ng The Hardcore, ang aking bro kabayan, kay founder PSP, Minoy Spain Patroller. Ayan, mega love shoutout, and of course happy birthday to you. Ayan nga, ang kasabihan, mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo. Ayan, founder PSP. Ayan, thank you so much sa pag-alalay sa ating team The Hardcore. Ayan, bilang founder, maraming salamat sa patuloy na paggabay sa amin. And thank you so much sa walang sawa mong suporta sa amin. Ayan, and once again, ayan, to the founder of Hardcore, ayan, The Hardcore, kay bro kabayan, ayan, founder PSP, Pinoy Spain Patroller, happy birthday to you. Ayan, sana ay lagi kang nasa mabuting kalagayan, at syempre mabuting kalusugan, and more birthdays to come. At sana mahaba pa yung ating pagsamahan sa ating team. This is your bro kabayan, Zenith Hunter Vlogs. Ayan, maraming salamat at hanggang sa muli. Happy birthday! Bye!
Hello everyone. Binabati ko pala ang aking kapatid, founder, bro John Boy Bautista, aka bro PSP, Pinoy Spain Patroller. Happy birthday, bro. I wish you all the best at stay healthy and keep safe always. Enjoy your family. more birthdays to come and more blessings to come. Maraming salamat pala bro sa iyong support at sa ating at sa lahat ng co-founder at councils at mga members. So shout out sa lahat. So happy birthday bro. And God bless. Okay? Enjoy lang at yun. Maraming salamat din sa suporta. At happy birthday bro. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Yun lang bro. Happy birthday sa iyo. Enjoy your day. Bye.
Binibati ko pala ng isang masayang happy birthday ang ating kapitan, Sir PSP. Ayun, happy birthday sa iyo at tuloy-tuloy lang ang ating ligaya, no? Tuloy-tuloy lang tayo sa YT at tuloy ang ating pag-awit, tuloy ang ating harana. Ayun, at happy birthday muli sa iyo. God bless you.
Thank you so much.